camping just got smarter. From compact cooking tools to innovative survival gear, these 15 viral Amazon camping gadgets are not just hype, they're actually worth it. Whether you're a seasoned adventurer or a weekend explorer, these clever finds will upgrade your outdoor experience, making camping easier, safer, and way more fun. Get ready to pack smarter. AROUNDFIRE Grill Table. The AROUNDFIRE Grill Table is the ultimate portable grill and fire pit table, designed to bring people together anywhere. With a quick 30-second setup, it transforms any space, backyard, beach, or backwoods, into a social hub for grilling, cooking, and cozy campfires. Its innovative design allows interactive cooking and shared meals, making gatherings more engaging and fun. Built for durability and convenience, it's compact, lightweight, and easy to transport, so you can fire up unforgettable moments wherever you go. Whether hosting friends or enjoying family time outdoors, the AROUNDFIRE Grill Table ensures warmth, flavour, and connection around the fire. VSSL JAVA GRINDER. The VSSL Java grinder is the ultimate tool for coffee lovers who value both precision and portability. With a 20-gram grind capacity and a premium high-carbon stainless steel burr, this manual grinder delivers consistent grounds in under a minute. Featuring 50 adjustable grind settings, you can easily customize your brew from espresso to French press. Its conical burr and dual bearings ensure maximum flavor extraction with uniform consistency. Weighing less than a pound, the grinder is highly portable with an ergonomic extendable handle that locks into a carabiner position for secure, compact carrying, perfect for home, travel, or outdoor adventures. THULE OUTSET Tent. The THULE OUTSET redefines outdoor living as the world's first tow bar mounted tent, crafted for comfort, convenience, and adventure. Perfect for spontaneous getaways, it offers a quick and easy setup directly from your vehicle, letting you embrace the outdoors without compromising on style or practicality. Built with durability in mind, the OUTSET is designed to withstand the challenges of nature while blending seamlessly with it. Whether you're camping by the coast, in the forest, or at a festival, this innovative tent ensures you have a cozy and reliable base. Launching in late spring 2024, the THULE OUTSET is set to transform modern camping. ZUNE LOTOO Shovel. The ZUNE LOTOO Shovel, priced at $209.99, is the ultimate survival multi-tool built for adventure and emergencies. Featuring a 7-key angles lock patent, it allows quick one-handed adjustments for versatile use. Crafted from durable martensitic steel with an HRC 60 rating, it withstands extreme conditions, supporting up to 1,984 pounds, resisting rust in salt water, and enduring -60 degrees Celsius cold. This compact kit combines shovel, axe, saw, hammer, and more, plus essential extras like a survival whistle, fire starter, and rope. Its aircraft-grade aluminum handle with adjustable grip ensures strength and comfort. Portable and lightweight, it packs neatly for camping, hiking, or off-road trips. ANKER EVERFROST, the ANKER Solix. EVERFROST 2 redefines portable cooling for campers and outdoor lovers. Designed for extended adventures, it keeps your food and drinks fresh for up to 4.3 days, eliminating the hassle of ice. With rapid cooling, it can chill your beverages down to 32 degrees Fahrenheit in just 15 minutes, ensuring refreshment anytime. Its innovative solar charging capability allows you to plug in a 100-watt solar panel, giving you reliable, eco-friendly power on the go. Lightweight yet durable, the EVERFROST 2 makes outdoor living more convenient, freeing you from the mundane while extending your weekend getaways in comfort and style. LIFESTRAW Peak BLBAO. The LIFESTRAW Peak BLBAO is an advanced personal water filter designed for outdoor adventures, travel, and emergency preparedness. Built with durability and convenience in mind, it effectively protects against bacteria, parasites, microplastics, dirt, sand, and cloudiness, ensuring safe, clean drinking water wherever you are. Compact and lightweight, it's easy to carry, clean, and store, making it an essential survival companion. The Peak BLBAO straw is engineered with high-performance filtration technology, providing peace of mind on hikes, camping trips, and off-grid explorations. Whether you're facing uncertain water sources or preparing for emergencies, LIFESTRAW delivers safe hydration anytime, anywhere with ease. ALVA Hands-Free Lighting Solution. The ALVA Universal Hands-Free Lighting Solution is a rugged, versatile, and practical tool designed for adventurers, DIYers, and anyone needing reliable illumination without holding a flashlight. Featuring both white and red LED options, ALVA delivers up to 110 lumens of directed light, ensuring visibility and safety. Its modular design allows it to be worn on wrists or ankles, or mounted via keychain and GoPro-compatible options. Built to withstand the elements with IP65 rainproof and IP67 waterproof ratings, ALVA is weather-resistant and durable. A quick rechargeable battery powers up to 3 hours of use, making it a compact, dependable lighting companion. Zero Breeze Mark II. The Zero Breeze. Mark II is a groundbreaking portable air conditioner built for life off the grid. Delivering 2,300 BTUs of cooling power with just 240 watts of energy consumption, it's perfect for tents, RVs, vans, and trucks. Its dual hose system ensures faster cooling, while the detachable battery enables true cordless convenience with optional solar compatibility for eco-friendly use. Compact, lightweight, and half the size of standard portable ACS, the Mark II features a durable aluminum alloy build, micro dual cylinder compressor, and whisper quiet 52 decibels operation. With easy setup, remote control, and smart condensation management, it's the ultimate cooling companion anywhere. FORREST Tool Max Multi-Tool. The FORREST Tool Max Multi-Tool is the ultimate solution for anyone who values versatility and durability in the outdoors. Combining 8 essential tools in one compact and easy-to-carry package, it ensures you're always prepared, whether tackling tough jobs at camp, on the trail, or in emergency situations. This all-in-one system includes a shovel, axe, hammer, pick, and more, making it ideal for campers, hikers, hunters, and survivalists. Built with rugged construction and designed for efficiency, the Max Multi-Tool delivers reliability and convenience when you need it most. Compact storage means it's always ready to go wherever adventure takes you. ECOFLOW Wave 3. Meet the ECOFLOW. Wave 3, the latest breakthrough in portable cooling technology. This game-changing air conditioner delivers an impressive 6,100 BTU of cooling power, ensuring rapid relief in any environment. With its sleek, compact design and advanced portability, it's perfect for camping trips, outdoor gatherings, RVs, or even emergency home use. The Wave 3 offers wireless temperature control, cooling spaces in as little as 15 minutes, anytime and anywhere. Built with EcoFlow's trusted energy-efficient technology, it pairs seamlessly with EcoFlow batteries for off-grid use, providing comfort without compromise. Stay cool, stay mobile. Experience ultimate freedom with the EcoFlow Wave 3. MUZEN Wild Mini. The MUZEN Wild Mini, priced at $74.99, is a compact yet powerful Bluetooth speaker designed for adventurers. Delivering crystal clear loud sound in a palm-sized design, it connects in seconds via Bluetooth 5.0 for seamless control and stable playback. Built with rugged durability and an 800 mAh battery, it offers up to 8 hours of music on the go. Waterproof and ultra-portable, it clips easily to backpacks, tents, or bike handlebars. Perfect for outdoor activities, it also features 3 flashlight modes: high, low, and SOS, for added safety during night trails. A versatile speaker and flashlight combo, it makes a thoughtful gift for any occasion. NEBO Slide King 2 K. The NEBO Slide King 2 K, priced at $69.99, is the ultimate rechargeable flashlight built for versatility. With 4x zoom, it transforms from a focused spotlight to a wide floodlight and extends to reveal a powerful COB work light. Offering 7 dimmable modes, it delivers up to 2000 lumens on high or 60 hours on red-low, plus emergency red flash. Its magnetic base provides hands-free use, while the rugged design is impact-resistant and waterproof, IPX7. Features include power memory recall, a backlit button with charge indicator, and fast USB-C recharge in 3 to 4 hours. Compact yet powerful, it's perfect for work or adventure. OPINEL No 12 Explorer. Made in France, the OPINEL number. 12 Explorer is a rugged and versatile knife built for the great outdoors. Designed for wild camping, survival, hunting, and fishing, it combines durability with easy handling. Its robust blade tackles tough tasks, while the reinforced polymer handle ensures a secure grip in any condition. Practical features, such as a whistle, fire starter, and cutting hook, make it a true multi-tool for adventurers. Lightweight yet strong, the No. 12 Explorer is compact enough to carry anywhere, ready to perform when you need it most. Wherever the wilderness calls, this knife is your reliable companion. EVERGREEN 56 Case. The EVERGREEN 56 Case is built to deliver unmatched durability and reliability, offering secure storage for up to 100 rounds with its protective foam insert. Featuring twist lock latches that double as air release valves, it ensures automatic pressure equalization and airtight security. With IP67 waterproof protection, this case is impact resistant, crush-proof, dust-proof, and buoyant, capable of floating with over 3 pounds of gear. Ideal for adventures on land or water, it's ATA compliant and versatile enough to carry ammo or other essentials. Backed by a lifetime guarantee, the EVERGREEN 56 case is the ultimate safeguard for your gear and valuables. HELINOX Cafe Set. The HELINOX Cafe Set brings comfort and convenience to campsite dining with a thoughtful design that feels just like home. The cafe table stands at 28 inches, the perfect height for meals, games, or gatherings, while offering a stable, easy-to-clean surface that sets up quickly. Paired with the cafe chair, taller and more upright than the iconic Chair 1, you get proper dining posture and compatibility with most standard height tables. Lightweight, durable, and highly portable, this set is designed for adventurers who don't want to compromise on comfort or style. Whether camping, picnicking, or road tripping, the HELINOX Cafe set elevates outdoor dining.